fight in Marawi would soon be over. The one thing that's stopping us now is yung sa mosque. It's a big one. It has underground tunnels, but not so much about that. But may 300 na hostages sila. At sabi ko, we'll just have to wait it out. Sabi ko, do not attack. Baril-barilan lang kayo dyan, pero huwag yan, lusubin ninyo, tapos i-behead yung, they would begin to behead people there. It's not important to me kung Moro ba o Kristiyanos o Vietnamese. It's important is we do not want to kill people. So even if it's expensive, yung kikita lang niyo, tumatakbo dyan, di paputukan na niyo, but no assault there. So 300 people, that's 300 lives. If we have to wait there for 1 year, let us wait for 1 year. But I said, give them food, because there are people hungry there. Huwag lang bala, pagkain lang. Anyway, they are there as prisoners also of the other side. So it's our duty it's a moral duty to see to it that they live and that they are fed.